Hey, this is Mrs. J, and I'm here to look at shape number 11 with you. Thank you for your patience in class while I figured it out. I had to extrude it first. That's what I was doing wrong. It's real simple. Let's try it out. I don't have the shape sheet in front of me, so I'm going to wing it a little bit with the dimensions. We can fix it in class later. All right, so let's make a new design. Make sure you're in your shape sheet folder. Got a good folder going on. All right. New sketch. XY plane, this one. Simple box. Click on the origin, drag up. We want it to be 4 and 2.5 height. That I remember is correct from the sheet. Excuse me. Click OK. We are going to finish the sketch. We're going to extrude it before we make those Y shapes. Extrude, drag back, -2. Good job. We're going to do one sketch on the front. We're going to close it up. We're going to do another sketch on the back. So create a sketch. Don't hit the plane, hit the object. All right, let's get it up in front of us. Use the pan tool. And use the line tool for all of it. Line tool. All right, I don't remember the exact dimensions, so we're just going to drag and we'll place it how it looks nice. The front one is longer. It goes down. So I'm on the center. See that blue dotted line showing up? We want that. Sorry for the noise. I'm on my patio. Click up here. Sometimes the line tool goes away there. See? Yep. She's very happy. Okay. Continuing on, bribing the puppy with treats. Let's make sure that we have a line going across this triangle. You have to close the shape in order to be able to extrude it or cut it out. So it turned black. That's how I know it's there. Still using the line tool, come down here and let's close this up so we don't have to worry about where it is. Left click and come down here. Okay, escape. I'm going to grab that coincident constraint. It's a coincidence that we're in the same place at the same time. Click that. We're just making sure that these are on the line. If you click it and you get an error, that means that you already got it when you were first dimensioning it. So you're good, or you're first, drawing it. Click this one in here. So I'm going to click all the points. This one I know I already got because I can see the constraint down there. I'm going to click it anyway just to be safe. Escape. All right, a couple of dimensions and we're off this one. So dimension tool. I'm going to click the point and the edge. We're going to say this is about 0.25. I'm making this up at this point. We can fix it later. Click this point, 0.25. And then this line down here, 0.5. The reason we did the coincident constraints, if we didn't, these would be a different color and then we'd be able to move them. We don't want to be able to move them. 0.25, 0.25, 0.5. Finish your sketch. Hit the house, make it isometric. Now we want to rotate and get around the back. So just get it so it shows. Create a new sketch. A couple of times I've done this and my sketch ended up on the front. So it does see through your object. Be careful. Make sure you're highlighting that back and not accidentally clicking the front or another plane, right? Get that back. All right, and let's bring it up in front of us. If this bothers you here to see it, I like it. But if it bothers you, come over to Sketch 2, hit the eyeball and hide it. You'll have to bring it up later so you can see the image. I'm going to leave it on for now. Same thing. Line tool. This one's a little closer. And it's a little shorter. I'm just eyeballing it. Click, click, click. See how my line tool went away? It's not on my mouse. I'm going to click it again and come across. You have to remember to do this one because you can't really tell that it's there. You have to do it. Click down the center. Click to the bottom. Can't really tell if I got it. I think I did. All right, couple of dimensions. First, let's do coincidence constraints. Just click each point. That's not coincident. This one. Coincident. Same place, same time. This one, I got an error, means I got it. Definitely this one. And I already have this one. I'm just going to be careful. Escape. That means that they're not going to move when you put a dimension on it. If you ever put a dimension and your line goes like to Montana, that's why. All right, sketch dimensions. We're going to click the point, click the corner, and this should be 0.75. Yes, I'm making it up, but it's all good. Click this point, this one, 0.75. And one more time, click this line down here, 0.75. All right, if I'm going too fast, you can pause and watch it again later. 757575, finish the sketch. Hit the house button. Now we can do the loft command. This is what I was missing earlier today. I was making the front sketch and the back sketch, and I was trying to do loft join. But instead of that, I'm going to do loft cut. All right, as you hover, you see your different parts. If you don't see a triangle, you may have missed the line on the top, right? All right, create loft. Click this one. And then you need the one in the back. Sometimes you can go through, not this time. So I'm going to rotate a little bit. It's my orbit tool, escape. And then this one. Right, going to grab them both. Always escape in between tools. And we're just going to double check profile 1 and 2. That's this one. And we're using the cut command. I was trying in class to do the join command using 2 sketches. It should have worked. I don't know, I messed something up. And then just click OK. And everybody's happy. So what do you think? It's like a little bit different shape. I may have to double check my dimensions on these guys, but all in all, happy shape 11. Enjoy. Give it some color. All right, don't forget to save because, save your work. Thanks for listening. Sorry for the noise. My puppy says, good job.